Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice penalty kick as a goalkeeper in eFootball 2024. So you can jump to the direction you want. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner, new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the mission, and also you can get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training. As you can see, there are two options here. Tap the free training and tap the last one, penalty kick as a goalkeeper. So you have to practice this often to master your gameplay and master your feeling about the penalty kick. Let's tap next and you have to guess where the direction. Let's try another one. I want to go to the right often. Let's try another one. And I hope I can hold this. Yes. So practice your feel, your penalty kick as a goalkeeper. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.